Guys, I said Charlie, today I did now with one client will call me here, Charlie. You want change in pool inside and things. I say okay, I not get problem. So go the side there now we with them my boys. They watch the things inside or check the drain, check how we are going to lay one of pipes and things. Charlie that with me or they cut the pipe like something. Cut them like I get will leave you where they cut them. So we do the cutting all finish. We my boys did there. We or some the chisel where was where full concrete to any small thing cry. So as things they go on fast, no. Charlie, you won't do fast, then go chop some watch every crowd for the corner there. So that be the chisel where we do the holes will be break through. We do three, we break through three because that be how we are going to um project the jet inside the pool. So this be the motor. No, now we dey check say the motor they work then everything. We see say Charlie we be a koyi, we be a daho. Come on. Charlie motor not chill rough. Me am sure. TV no massa. Now you go check your pipelines now you leaning na making sure say everything is intact. So you're checking in now we no boss one page or two more now for the D. So the flow. If you need flow ever pull no say also if you want a good work to be done, it's not easy. You have to get the right professional people to do your work for you. No, Charlie. You check you one side now. I was saying call around now making sure say now can be an answer secretary be and share pipes no more. So me check it say you see be come on now. Your pipes no so no leakage, nothing. Everything was good. Everything was nice and everything was perfectly done. So guys, if you want to do any project, if you want to do something about your pool, your washrooms, your kitchen, anything, just DM us. You can call us on 055 35 65 108. Peace out.